We are delighted to inform you that in-platform camera is now available on Android. Let's see how to get started. So you're going to log into your tutor account, go to the Profile tab, then scroll down to the Photos and Video section, click on Record Video button. You'll see this pop-up alert reminding you that the size of your video that can be recorded depends upon the memory which is available on your mobile device. Once the camera opens up, you'll see the record button at the bottom center, and on its right side you have the flip camera option. And right there on the top you have 4 options. Beginning from the top left, you have the settings button. Then you have the camera ratio, resolution, and last customization button. In camera ratio, you have 3 options of 9:16, 1:1, and full screen. Let's now click on the customization button. Within that, you can use the face and filter option. The face option allows you to smoothen your face, and the filter option offers a range of what else but filters. Let me quickly scroll through these. I'm, however, going to choose the original. And that's a wrap. Try out the camera and let us know what you think.